Hi paddlers, TRAK pilot Cole here. Now I'm going to demonstrate the sculling draw. The sculling draw is a corrective stroke that allows us to move our boat laterally. We may want to use the sculling draw to draw up to some friends for a party on the water, or to access a dock or a beach landing. A few steps for an effective sculling draw. Begin by initiating full torso rotation, dropping our blade in at our stern close to the boat until our paddle is vertical and right next to our cockpit. At this point, you're going to want to initiate the sculling motion. The sculling motion we want to make from bow to stern through using torso rotation. This sculling motion can be thought about like a knife spreading peanut butter on the bagel. You want to spread peanut butter on the bagel using that figure 8 motion. So a few tips for our sculling draw. Maintain upright regal posture, full torso rotation, and an upright paddle. One action item that you can do now is to go out, practice your sculling draw, draw 3 meters up to a stationary object and 3 meters away from it, without your bow moving forward or your stern moving backward. Go out there and be brave.